This is Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can create the calendar event on this device. So first, let's find the default calendar app on this phone. Whatever it is. Okay, I'll just use the App Drawer search. Then launch it, select the date that you would like to create an event for or on. Tap at this plus icon to your bottom right and fill out all the event details such as its name, time frames, repetitiveness or reoccurrence, reminding preferences, account that this event will be saved to, invite some other people or, well, point out the guests that will also attend it, set the location, and also you can write a brief description if you want to. Then save the changes by tapping at the check mark or check sign to your top right. And if I will open up this day in the calendar, as you can see, the event was successfully created. Now if I will tap at the event, you'll see that the app will provide me with the event details, which I can edit by tapping over here, or you can delete an event by tapping at the trash bin icon. And it has been successfully erased. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.